Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and on today's video I'm going to be going over cold calling. Now if you guys are going to be wholesaling and you want to make your next $10, $15, $20,000, then you need to be implementing cold calling, especially if you're on a budget. Okay, because if you have a lot of money to work with, then you are going to get a deal much faster if you do Facebook ads, PPC. But guys, that stuff costs money and it's very expensive. The cheapest way to get a deal, the most cost-effective way to get a deal, is through cold calling. I've tested this time after time. I've called a bunch of lists. I've closed many deals just cold calling, so I know it works. Okay, now my favorite dialer is Call Tools. You guys can check the link below. My friend Shawnie works over there and she can hook you guys up if you're looking to get started and if you're looking to get an account. Now what Call Tools is, it's a dialer where you're going to be able to upload your list and you're going to be able to call that list and find out who's interested, weed out all the people that are not interested, so you can truly find out the motivated sellers and close a wholesale deal. So yeah, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set up your Call Tools dialer. And if you guys are looking to get a brand new account, please send an email to Shawnie@calltools.com. That way she can sign you guys up and onboard you. So feel free to send her an email if you are interested in using this amazing dialer. Now, before we can actually set up our dialer, we need to have a list. Now, I do recommend that you guys use batch leads in order to use their filters to create motivated seller lists. Okay, so I will have out a separate video where I'll show you how to create these type of motivated lists, but you're going to be able to look in your market, look for single families, and put criteria like tired landlord, like vacant properties, high equity, probate, inheritance. You put those filters in and you generate a list of 5, maybe 10,000 records, and you take those records and you upload them to Call Tools so you can start calling. Now the great thing about batch leads is they're now providing phone numbers. So in the past, if you got like a list of 1,000 people, you had to pay 7 to 9 cents per record in order for you to get the phone numbers. However, now batch leads is including it in their monthly plan, where you're going to be able to create lists, and the phone numbers are also going to be included at a monthly cost. You do not have to pay extra anymore. So once you get batch leads, you create your motivated seller list and you sign up to Call Tools, you're going to be able to start cold calling so you can find motivated sellers and you can get properties under contract, sell them over to cash buyers, and make $10, $15, $20, $35 wholesaling houses. Okay guys, so get your dialers, get your list, because in the next video we're going to start setting this dialer up. That way you guys can start your campaign and get a deal. Cold calling is the most cost-effective approach. I've tested PPC, I've tested Facebook ads, I've tested direct mail, and cold calling is the cheapest way to get a deal. So if you only have $200, $300, $400, $500 to get a deal, no problem. You can get that done by getting a list, right? Getting a monthly subscription on batch, creating a juicy motivated list, getting the numbers on batch, and then uploading it into Call Tools so we can start calling. So I hope you guys are just as excited as me for the next video, because once you have your list, we're going to be able to go ahead and set up our dialers.